Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So we'll keep an eye on this because currently what we've done for the DXY is lost a big thick yellow line. So this is a level of support which you need to be above to be bullish. Okay, you need to be below it to be bearish. And right now the DXY is below this support band, so it is bearish. And what you're doing, you've had a retest, got rejected, come back down to this low. Right now you've pierced it, made a lower low, so technically that's a lower low. And right now you're looking for a retracement back into it to confirm as resistance before dropping again. Now this leg, if we get this resistance on this yellow line for the DXY and it drops again, XRP is going to absolutely take off down the line. Okay, somewhere down the line it will take off because of the setup that we've been looking at for a very long time. So we'll keep an eye on it. The minute we turn this thick yellow line, this support again for the DXY is bearish for XRP. Okay, until then XRP is retracing and the DXY is retracing in a downtrend basically, and XRP is retracing in an uptrend. It really is that simple. Let's not overcomplicate it. Okay, let's take a look at the CBBI right now for XRP. Okay, so the CBBI is still at 25. It was at 25 yesterday. We are looking for a bit more of a pullback in the CBBI, to be honest with you. Some kind of high low just there, retain the structure and then go again. You know, we just need to see the uptrend structure as we did there, and you know, as we did there on that breakout as well. The minute it turns a corner, starts making a series of lower lows and lower highs basically, that's bearish. At the minute we have to respect the CBBI, and it's telling us that 2 was a fantastic entry point, which it's been proven as, and right now we're busting a move and really breaking out. Okay, so let's dive into the XRP chart right now. So this is just a little segment from a video a few days ago where I was looking at some kind of possible ABC correction back down to the 1618 to get some bids filled in down there. I personally put bids in down there, and I've wrote a lovely little long up. I've posted a setup on Twitter this morning as well where I've actually took profit on that. This is why you've got to follow me on Twitter. But let me play this bit of a video for you right now. Okay, wait for ABC, some simple ABC correction, A, B, C. We're looking for an ABC correction like that, some kind of wave 4. Okay, so we could say, okay, that's the A, that's the B, and right now we're in a C wave. So we could look at Fibonacci to determine where it's going to go. So we could say, okay, that's the A wave high, that's the B A wave low, sorry, that's the B wave high, and right now we are looking to come down to roughly the golden ratio. The 1618 is 0.4439. That would be a key area of interest to me, where again I would load up some bids. So I did ride that little bid back up. Okay, I put some bids in down there and rode a lovely little retracement back up. I've actually closed that long right now. Okay, and we might begin to form some kind of double bottom pattern down here, but what I'll try to do is just try and find the trades in and out on daily time frames. So right now I've actually took profit on that, 42% up, amazing little trade, just off a small little move. Right, these are the things that you can do. Okay, so right now I've actually gone short, and I did post this on Twitter, not short to oblivion or short to zero, just little opportunities on a day-to-day time frame. Let me show you what I'm looking at right now for XRP. Okay, so after obviously getting my bids filled, I did keep an eye on the trade, and I was looking at some kind of 5-wave pattern up in some kind of rising wedge, and I did, posted this morning. Basically, the 5-minute time frame is an amazing time frame, and I will try and zoom in with you a little bit more. But I have took profit on that little trade, and obviously you can see I made 40%. And right now I've actually opened a short at that point just there, and I put my stop loss on the 0 fib, and right now I'm riding it back down. Okay, so I'm looking at retracement because I think that what we've got here is a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in some kind of rising wedge, and I was looking at some kind of breakdown back down to retrace back to where we came from. So on the 5-minute time frame, this offers an amazing opportunity. But obviously on the larger time frame, this could be some kind of impulsive move up, corrective move down, and then create some kind of double bottom down here. But I always try and find a little moves, and if you're looking to make money in the space, you can kick back, relax and day trade, or you could just like sort of jump in on the 5-minute and find support and find resistance and find all the patterns that I talk about on a day-to-day basis. For example, just if you take a look, we've got a little small falling wedge broken out. Okay, so this is a beautiful little sweet spot where I put some bids in, rode it all the way back up, took profit just there on that third point of contact on this rising wedge, and right now it looks as though we're breaking down. It's a support. Like I said to you, we've got the 5 waves, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right now it looks like we're putting in some kind of ABC correction coming back down. So I went short, put my stop loss on the 0 fib as stated in the tweet, and right now I'm riding a lovely little short back down to the downside. Okay, let's take a look at the XRP chart to see what it's doing right now. So looking at XRP on a 5-minute time frame, then we've got a beautiful little pattern here, some kind of rising channel, broke down, back tested resistance as confirmation as a breakdown, and right now we're coming down, aren't we? So we're retracing basically. So from the 0 fib all the way to the 1 fib, we can drop our fibs on, and right now we're slowly but surely coming down the stairs here. Now remember, XRP loves the 702 fib, so we might get a deeper retracement here on a 5-minute time frame. So I still remain in my short. I'm going to move my stop loss down right now to that low just there, so I'm actually in profit. And what I'm looking at right now is if it starts to break down, I'll be looking to close it all the way down there on the 702 fib is 0.44444, keep going forever, and then I will be looking for some kind of reversal pattern and then to go again. And what we've got is a beautiful double bottom pattern and possibly some kind of ascending triangle down here. and you know, some kind of trend line like that as well in time that will potentially emerge. So I'm looking for the continuation. We've got death crosses, we're rallying to the resistance, confirm this breakdown of this beautiful support just there, confirm resistance, and right now we looked like we're coming down the stairs. So remember, the nominal retracement that XRP loves is the golden ratio and the 702 fib right there. So I'll just sort of kick back, relax, wait for it to get down there, if it does get down there obviously, and I'll move my stop down so I'm in profit. And right now this is basically trading, okay? So you can do all this too. You can make money on a day-to-day basis, trading these little patterns, long or short, it doesn't matter. You can make money in the space. Remember, you can do all this on Bybit or Mexi. The links are in each and every single video description. I will try and show you more trades going forward, but please do follow me on Twitter, because obviously as price changes, I can't make constant videos. I do post a lot of trades and setups on Twitter. Thank you for support. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.